I'm sure he'll come back. It's the crow.
My name is Chris.
Yeah, look at that. You know what? Birds are all over the place around here, and they've been here for a really long time, too, giving all of you up-close encounters with the natural world every single day.
Every single day, that's exactly right. Every single day, people get an up-close look at beautiful birds from all over the world. Like these cool birds, brown hornbills. This one's name is